Hello guys, just listening to my radio here. I have a 96 Live player here. Up in Canada. I'm only doing my car town. Alright, straight to the point now. To the video here I was doing. The San Diego Zoo's Wild Animal Park. And this place right here. In Escondido. We got there maybe about 12. This was at about 3:50 at that time. 9/27/2010. Lorikeet landed. Sorry, this one couldn't get in there. This is where we went. You'll see it soon enough in the video. Hey guys, one moment. We're here getting gas in Arco here in Northco. We got 3/4 of a tank. Trying to get some gas here. And look at that gas price. Oh man. Looks good. Let's go over here. We got tobacco leaf. Forget it. Hate it. Yep, look at the gas prices. 79, 89, 99. Right here at Northco Drive. Hey, there we go. My truck. Yeah, it's really hard to believe. Yeah, we don't get that anymore where we're at. Alright, I have to go now. I'm gassing, gotta watch the truck. Bye.